Hi, I'm Bella, your Jetlocker assistant. Today, we'll look at how to ship your first order using your free US address. To get started, sign in to your Jetlocker account. After signing in, you will find your US address conveniently displayed on your account. When shopping at your favorite online stores, input this address in the delivery field just as it is displayed on your account. Be sure to enter your name, /Jetlocker. Enter the street address, and in the apartment or suite field, enter your Jetlocker ID. Some sites like Amazon may change the formatting of your address, and place your Jetlocker ID in front of the street address. Walmart and eBay may also query this setup. If it becomes an issue, try adding your Jetlocker ID in the name field. These are all okay, as it would not affect the delivery of your items. Where you can leave delivery instructions, be sure to input Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Also ensure that you set this as your default shipping address. Happy shipping, from Jetlocker.